Okay, this is Christy, and I wanted to show you my results because when I was a new person online, I wanted to see if people were actually doing what they said they were doing. And so if I go back into my lead gen secret, it's really not a secret, it's just actually a lead generator. And if you promote the site itself, it seems to do the best. So I went back in after I had signed up in like 2019 and then I quit. I just re-signed up. This is February 2024. And if you've been a member and you want to re-sign up, they actually waived my activation fee, which is $30. $30 to activate, to set up, and then $30 a month. But the trade-off is absolutely amazing. So I went in there, again, this is 2024, and I thought, I wonder if I have any commissions. And I looked down, and yesterday this said not paid, and it was $41. And I was like, wow, that's awesome, because I didn't have to do anything else once I promoted this back in 2019. As long as the people who join through your affiliate link, and I'm an affiliate for this program, you get $5 recurring commission depending on if they joined under you or if they joined under someone who joined under you. So all these people joined directly under, joined through my affiliate link. So I was getting $5 a month as long as they were paying their monthly fee. Okay, so really cool. And then the OTO, I believe, is the email swipes. So on the home page, and the thing I don't like about this is, I think really it would be better to have, an upgraded look. But hey, if it works, if it's not broken, don't fix it, right? The other thing, I'm used to emailing my AWeber leads, twice a day, sometimes following up. And this one is once every 24 hours. Other than that, I absolutely love this. So yesterday, it shows you the email I sent yesterday when I rejoined. 982 people opened, 67 clicked, 11% open rate. And I don't believe I've made a sale of this yet. I can see the traffic coming in. So if I go into the product I promoted on Warrior Plus Marketplace, and I go to stats, this is the offer that I promoted. So if I do this week, it's the Coloring Books PLR pack. So 34 people clicked on that link and took a look, but no one's bought it yet. But the reason I know that this works is that these are my own results from promoting other people's products as an affiliate. And what does that mean? You sign up, you get your link, and then whatever their commission they set is what you get. So here's some that I have been very grateful to receive from promoting them, mostly through email. So the best thing to do is build an email list. That's why this is so awesome. And I learned this from Matt Basak. I went to a conference and I paid like $5,000 for a weekend and to sit with Matt and his wife at a conference to learn what they're teaching you right here. And all this is they pay, I'm assuming they advertise for leads, and then they put them in this rotator. And so say, for example, I go in today and I go into the mailing system. Now remember, every day you get 100 new people that you can email to. So you can email just 100 people and try a new offer, or you can select all of the ones that have accumulated. And see, the reason I was getting 200 a day the first time I signed up is that I had people, that had come through my affiliate link. So they give you all kinds of bonuses, awesome bonuses. So if I selected all of those people, that's 12,600 people that I can email today. And then within 24 hours, I can email them again. Plus, I will have more leads. I'll have 100 more leads. Unless someone signs up under me and through my affiliate link. And if they do, they'll bump me up to 200 leads. And leads means people. They advertise, opt-in pages, and it is a email permission based system because they give this system, this mailing system and software, permission to send them similar offers. Okay, so you can actually choose and only have one, since I just started back yesterday. Or if you buy the email swipes, which is an upgrade that you don't have to do, you can write your own. Right here, look at this. It comes with subject lines, it comes with the body. The only thing I would do, I would not make any kind of income claims, so I just would say, I would adapt that for me. Lots of hard work, see for yourself. I would take out get paid now. I would just say start, getting your own leads to email to. And that's just my personal preference. See, I would take out make more money. I'm not going to guarantee anyone any income. And anyway, look at this. I think it's 50 of them. Let's just scroll down. 30. Amazing. Okay. So, if you have never, ever emailed anyone, this is awesome. Just make sure it's your own voice. And you can actually add your own picture in here. And if you scroll back up, there is a video that tells you how to do this on the home page. Right here, quick start video. It'll tell you how to add your image in there. So you can add a picture of yourself. You can add a website. You can add like your Twitter or your Instagram or Pinterest and just say follow me there. It's a great way. You want to personalize it and let them know you're a real person, not just a robot. So even though the emails are written for you, I would definitely, if you're going to put your name on it, make sure, it's something that you make it personal to you. So if you don't have a website, you don't have to have a website. That's the beauty of this, is that when you're online and you're brand new, you don't know how to create a website, to create an opt-in page, to create an autoresponder. And that is the beauty of this. So once you sign in, it's so easy. You would just have 100 leads, and you would just select that, and it moves over here. And then you would go to, if you have the master swipes, use them. It's super easy. And you would just, write your email here. Write your email here. And then you can use perfect timing, means it would send out the same time that the person filled in a form and said, I want to know about, business opportunities online. Or you don't have to. It doesn't matter. Some people say they get better results with that, so you might want to experiment with that. You can put an image from their library. I want to know more. And then, you could link here. Okay. Link here. You can hyperlink to anything. That was my question, is can I promote anything? You really can. Then you would put your link right there and it would hyperlink this. Yeah, and then, of course, I have to wait because I have to wait 4 hours, but there will be a preview button and then just send. And it really takes you like 5 minutes, especially if you're using the master email swipes. It literally takes you like 5 minutes. See, you put import this, choose your leads. Perfect timing. And then if you haven't emailed in the last 24 hours, there'll be like a preview and a send, and that's it. Okay, so that has been my experience with this software that supplies you with an audience. So if you're brand new to internet marketing, this is, I highly recommend you start with this, because again, it provides you with all the tools you need, and you can promote anything online. You can promote software. You know, I plan to promote, I know there's a JVZoo product that's about children's books. I'm going to promote that because it's sold for me in the past. And just opportunities that I would want people to know about, that you know, that are not scammy or spammy, but legitimate, you know, ways, like writing ebooks and creating printables and planners. Those are all ways, you know, to start an online business. So I hope that's helpful. Please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye now.